Hi everybody. Today I got my very first Causebox. And as you can see, it's a big box. This one ships quarterly and it's $54.95 a month. But when I ordered it, I had a really good discount that brought it down to $44 after tax. This one is the summer welcome box because the original summer box sold out. So they had just the summer welcome boxes. But now this one has sold out. And they have the summer intro box, which is only $25. Let's see what's in here. My scissors. It comes with this booklet, and on the back it says, "Our mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone." I like that. And it has details about everything that's in the box. All right. And it has this postcard. Nice colorful postcard that I can send to someone. All right, let's see. First off, I have a water bottle. It says Swell Original. This is a stainless steel water bottle. It's supposed to keep your drinks hot or cool for a really long time. I've never had one, but I've heard good things about it. It has a stopper. Okay, the next thing is the PMD. This is the reason why I subscribed to this box. Because it had this PMD facial wash, facial cleanser in it. It has the batteries in there too, so that's nice. It has the little bristles on the front to wash your face and then on the back to massage in your skincare products. It's cute. The little stand to hold it on your counter. Okay. What else? Oops. Oh, the battery. Okay. All right, and then we have from Grace and Stella, Say Hi to Hydration, Hyaluronic Acid Serum. I have a lot of serums right now already open. I'll just save this for later. And from Hanua, this is the Malu SPF 30 Protecting Day Cream. All right, and on the back it says, locally sourced, globally loved. Let's see what this is. Gotta get this open. The box just sort of comes apart like that. Okay. And there is the day cream. It has a nice slightly floral scent. It reminds me of honeysuckle, but it's not strong. Okay. And then I have something in this bag here. Not what it is yet. It feels soft. Oh, I know what it is. I remember. It's It's the first, our bag. It's the handbag. There are also 3 different color choices for the handbag, but they chose this one for me, which is great because I was hoping that I would get the green one. This is nice. It's a crossbody, but it's actually the size of a regular handbag. It's thick on the bottom, so it can hold a lot of stuff. And it has a shoulder strap that you can attach to carry it crossbody. What I found most interesting about this bag, though, is that this blue lining in here is made from recycled water bottles. I thought that was really great. There's a zipper compartment. That's how it looks on the inside. With a pocket and a zipper compartment back here. And this is vegan leather from the brand Pixie Mood. Oh, and here's the discount code. It says, "Thank you for choosing cruelty-free. Here's 20% off your next order." And there's the discount code there. Okay, that's nice. Okay, now I've attached the strap to it. It attaches with these on the side right here. And the strap is adjustable. This is nice. Feels like really nice quality too. Okay. I know I'll enjoy carrying this bag. All right, what else? Okay, and then the final thing, this is also a variation item. We could either get this or we could get some silicone bowl covers. I actually would have preferred the bowl covers, even though this item is more expensive. But I can get the bowl covers myself from Amazon. They're like $8 or $9 on Amazon. So I'll get them. This is a message board. And it comes with a whole lot of letters. So you can make messages to yourself or other people in your household. It has little designs and punctuation marks and emojis, as well as letters. So this is cute. And you stick them in here. And it comes with a hanger to hang it up on the wall. And a bag to keep all of your letters in once you take them off of here. Alright, so that's cute. And I believe that's everything. Let's see. Yep. So we got the letterboard. The PMD facial cleansing device. The Grace and Stella Hyaluronic Acid Serum. The Malu Protecting Day Cream with SPF 30. The vegan leather crossbody bag. And the 17-ounce swell bottle. with beautiful hibiscus flowers on it. I like this. I grow hibiscus flowers in the backyard and they're beautiful. So this is really nice. All right. So that's everything I got in the Causebox Summer Welcome Box. Thank you for watching. Bye.